Hi everyone and welcome to Tech More. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Google Pixel 7. This phone was released in October 2022 and it's the latest flagship phone from Google. Design and build quality. The Pixel 7 has a sleek and stylish design. It's made of aluminum and glass, and it feels very premium in the hand. The phone is available in 3 colors: obsidian, snow, and hazel. Display. The Pixel 7 has a 6.1-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The display is sharp and vibrant, and it's great for watching videos or playing games. Performance. The Pixel 7 is powered by Google's own Tensor G2 chip. This chip is very powerful, and it can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. The phone also has 8 GB of RAM, which helps to ensure smooth multitasking. Camera. The Pixel 7 has a dual camera system on the back. The main camera is 50 megapixels, and the ultra-wide camera is 12 megapixels. The cameras take great photos in all lighting conditions, and they're also very good at taking portrait shots. Battery life. The Pixel 7 has a 4600 mAh battery. This battery provides good battery life, but it's not the best in the market. The phone also supports fast charging, so you can quickly top it up when needed. Software. The Pixel 7 runs Android 13. This is the latest version of Android, and it's packed with features. The phone also gets regular software updates, which is always a good thing. The Google Pixel 7 is a great phone overall. It has a sleek design, a powerful processor, a great camera, and a long-lasting battery. If you're looking for a new phone, the Pixel 7 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews.